Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever opened a Python file and noticed a yellow banner at the top saying you're in restricted mode, it means Workspace Trust is active. This is a security feature that stops VS Code from running scripts in folders it doesn't recognize. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to disable it so you can get back to coding. First, let's address the most common way this pops up. When you open a new folder, VS Code will ask you if you trust the authors. If you click No, you're restricted. To fix this without digging through menus, just look for the Manage Workspace Trust link in that yellow banner, or click the small shield icon in the bottom left corner of your status bar. Once you click that, a dedicated trust management page will open. You have two main options here. If it's just one folder giving you trouble, click the button that says Trust. This instantly unlocks all Python features like IntelliSense and debugging for that specific project. Now, if you want to disable this feature entirely because it's getting in your way, we need to go into your global settings. Click the gear icon in the bottom left and select Settings. In the search bar at the top, type the word Trust. Look for the setting labeled Workspace Trust Enabled. All you have to do is uncheck that box. Just keep in mind that by turning this off, VS Code will automatically trust every folder you open. So make sure you're only opening code from sources you know are safe. After you uncheck that box, go ahead and restart Visual Studio Code. When it opens back up, that restricted banner will be gone for good, and your Python extensions will load normally every time. And that's it. You're back in full control of your editor. If this quick fix helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any other VS Code errors you want me to solve next, and I'll see you in the next one.